Heading out for a summer vacation or taking a dip in the pool, the summer heat is here and Brow Bar by Reema is going to help keep your brows looking fabulous. Instead of doing a full face of foundation and concealer, I like to use a waterproof concealer just to spot correct different areas that have a little bit of redness, and then use the Reema Beauty powder to set that in place. We're going to take the Bombshell Brow Serum and really hydrate and nourish our brows so that they're long and healthy all summer long. Take a spoolie to really brush the serum into your brow hairs, and then because I do not have naturally full brows, I like to use the Microblade Pen to fill them in and give them a little extra color. Next up, we're going to be laying our brows down flat with the Badass Brow Laminate. I spray the brush with a little bit of water and then brush my hairs smooth onto my face upward and outward. Take your Browlights Camera Action Duo Brow Highlighter and use the creamy matte side to clean up under your brows. We're going to blend that in with a flat brush and then take the shimmery side to add a little extra highlight under the arch. I also love using the shimmery end on the inner corner of my eye, and you can use it for different areas of highlight as well. We're going to dip into the black gel liner with an angled brush to give a simple, soft wing for our look today. Make sure you apply a waterproof mascara, and I'm adding a little extra highlight above my lip before applying the True Shine Glaze Metallic Lip Gloss. We're finishing the look with our favorite Brow Bar by Reema lashes, and we are ready for some summer fun.